Eva Trades.
Hey, welcome to the live show. This is Real Money Trading, and today it's Monday. No, it's not. It's Tuesday, and we've got a few things happening this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and get us started. Here we go. Day trading is risky, so I like to trade in a simulator, but today we're doing some real market trading. So I'm looking at BXRX over here. I'm trading it right now, and I was up big on it early, and then I took a big loss on it, and now I just finally got green on it again. So doing a little pre-market trading here, and welcome, by the way, thanks for watching. So BXRX making a nice move there. So I'm going to stop trading now and break down some charts here and get ready for the opening bell. We have about 8 minutes to go till the market opens. So these are the three stocks. I pulled these off of the gap scan from Trade Ideas, and I did some pretty active trading starting at around 5:30. We'll look at BBBY now. I believe BBBY was the first one that I traded, and that was way back here. And I could go ahead and open up this 1 minute time frame here so we can see this. This was at 5:29, and we broke out here, and this candle pulled back. I jumped in it and sold just for a quick profit, and after that I was done. I didn't trade it again. Just looking here. So yeah, I've really taken a lot of trades this morning, so I'm trying to remember in what order I took these trades. Okay, so then there's GROM. So I made actually so $3, and that was BBBY. So I made $2.86, and we're talking small share size here. So this is not anything extravagant, but it's good for me because my daily goal is $20, and $2.86 is 10% of that. So that's not bad. So then I traded GROM. I took a loss on it. First thing, I got in it right here. I thought we were going to get this little higher low and higher high, but it didn't work out and it failed. I jumped back out of it, took a loss on it. And then we tested this line here of that pivot of 352, came down to 350 probably. Yep, we did. And as this was moving back up, I jumped in it, sold when this candle broke over, and got back to green on that stock. So on that one, well, no, I didn't actually. I'm still red on it, but only down $3. I was down quite a bit more. And then I actively traded BXRX here. And this one I've taken a lot of trades on. First thing right here on this breakout, I got green on it, got even more green. I was up pretty good right here. And then over here, right here, I took a loss. But I was still green. And then I added to my total here, and I was up pretty good on the stock right here at this point. And then I got in here, and this breakout would have put me up probably at my daily goal, but it failed, dropped back down. I went down $17, negative 17 on the stock. And then I could be confused. At one point I was down negative 17. Somewhere in here, oh yeah, this is where I started trading just recently, just when I was going live. Just before I started recording this, I jumped into a trade as this was moving up. I think I was in on this candle. I might have added on this candle, but sold up in here. And then I bought again here on this back test, and this is when I started recording, and sold there and got green on the stock. So I was down 17 on it, and now I'm back green. So lucky for me, I'm up $3.21 on the day. I was worried that I was going to start the day in the red. So I hate doing that. That's never fun to start out red. So anyways, and it sucks too, because at one point I was $7 green. So I'm going to clear these lines out, and we have less than 5 minutes to go. So it's a 5-minute downtrend on GROM, consolidating on the hourly time frame. You can see we're pulling back, dropping below that last candle there. So it's a 15-minute consolidation period. Where are we going to pull back to? Let's see. If I was going to buy GROM, we have a support here that we're starting to drop below. There's another higher low here. So we were stair stepping up with higher lows. So now we're stair stepping down with lower highs. So each one of these little previous support levels we could bounce from, but that doesn't mean we're going to actually make a move back up toward the highs from those. We just maybe expect a few little bounces. Let's see here. So we have kind of a falling wedge as patterns go. It's not too bad. But just going to keep an eye open. I'm not exactly sure where to say. We have $3 psychological down here, but trading below the VWAP, so keeping that in mind. BXRX, though, is an uptrend on the 5-minute time frame, and we could look at the daily level. I don't often do that, but let's see. Let's mark out this top level, keeping an eye on the time here. Put a line there, that way when I open the daily, I can see where that line is. Okay, that's where we're trading. We do have a daily resistance up here at 658. We've got another one at 764. And what's this down here? 485. See if that kind of came into play earlier, that 485 level. So anyways, I'm going to get rid of that. Let's see what happens when we get up towards that, if we get up towards that daily level. So right now, consolidating sideways here on the 1 minute. So we did have a little higher low. So on a pullback, anything above 552 would keep this uptrend intact as far as higher lows go. Volume looks good. A little extended. Would expect a pullback soon. BBBY? I don't know. Thought I'd ask you. Har. Okay, so there's the low right there, 333. Bulls want to hold that support. We have a high, low, lower high, higher low, tightening range. Interesting. So it's an hourly inside bar bouncing on the 15. So looking for probably an equilibrium on the 15-minute time frame, maybe. Or the bears might get their little lower high and go lower for a lower low. That could happen too. All right, so the market's going to open in less than a minute. And breaking down here on Grom, I'm going to get rid of that line. So good luck today in your trading. I hope you do well. Let's try to get that daily goal. This is where I'm at so far in my progress. I'm at $124. I want to get to $200 by day 10, but I don't know that that's going to happen. Daily rules, go over those real quick. 15 seconds to go. Daily goal is $20. I'm done if I hit my max loss of $40. I'm done if I give back half after hitting my daily goal. I won't take more than 4 positions to start the day, and I won't take more positions than my max loss allows for. I like to say those rules out loud because it helps to cement them into my brain. There's the bell. We are open. Good luck. So looking for that higher low on the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to be watching candle ranges here on the 1 minute and make sure my stop loss parameters are set correct. 35 cents on BXRX. Oh, dropping down 50 cents. All right, I'm going to set my stop loss 50 cents below my entry on BXRX. And I'll set it at 20 on GROM. And 15 over there on BBBY. So 15 seconds till this candle closes, and then I'm able to place a trade, although I don't have anything in mind yet. Back test here on BXRX. I could buy that at $6. It's a pretty healthy pullback. I don't know. I'm just going to flatten that right there. I didn't like the size of that pullback. So I'm out for a small gain. Really whipping around there. Just setting my price ladder so I can see my limit orders when I get in. All right, so GROM still pulling back. BXRX, a little bit of indecision. And oh, BBBY. I was like, what is going on? Here we go. Okay. Oh man, I missed a good opportunity here on BBBY because I didn't have the chart scrolled over all the way. 27-cent candle range. Broke through the high, pulling back now. I'm not sure I want to jump in this on BBBY. I'll give it a shot. My stop loss is quite a ways away there. I'm going to jump back out. I wanted it to break sooner than that, so I don't have the patience to wait. And there's the drop. Could jump in there. Jump in on that drop and see what happens. I'm looking for something small. Well, I'd like something big, but... oh, and I missed my opportunity to sell. Let's see if it bounces back up here. I got to watch that bid. There we go. And I'm out right there for a small profit. So taking small wins. What am I sitting at? $6 on the day. Oh, yeah. Go buy a cappuccino with that. What is the overall market doing today? SPY. You see SPY over here. It's an hourly lower high, lower low. So SPY is an inside bar to start the day on the daily. All right. So BXRX is holding that support so far. We haven't broken below it yet. But so far, just kind of consolidating here. Okay, BBBY giving me a little bit more money there. Just taking a quick profit. The reason why I sold BBBY so quick is because I'm kind of looking for an equilibrium on it. And I'm jumping into BXRX there. Looking for that move up to $6. But yeah, BBBY, I'm looking for us to top out somewhere and pull back on it. And BXRX looking like it might fail here. I'm going to give it a second. That 1 minute candle is about to close. My gut tells me to exit, but I'm going to hold on and just see if we get a break over that last candle. I want to jump in BBBY right there, but I'm going to wait. Yeah, I'm getting out of BXRX, taking a loss on it. I don't know. Okay, so I'm scouting a higher low on BBBY. BXRX starting to look like it might want to break, so I'm jumping back in. And there's that break over that last candle. $3 down here. GROM. I want to see that bounce. No, that didn't work for me. Okay, but GROM. Oops. Return to order. What do we have here? I tried to sell it and there we go. So I'm back to green on I'm green on GROM when I started with red. So I'm not really gaining any ground here. And it's because it's chop, it's sideways action right now. I wonder if I need to just kind of wait it out for a bit. see if we get some kind of direction. BXRX, man. I'll try it. That's that $6 level. So I've got my stop down here at the low. I'm willing to lose $10. So there we go, jumping in BBBY. I'm going to move my stop loss up on that one because I want this low to hold. So we got that lower high. I'm looking for this to be the higher low. And then we want to make a move up here and break through 363. Inside bar on the 5-minute, and we're halfway through that 5-minute candle. So here we go with BXRX. Can we get that move? There we go. There's the move. I'm going to sell BXRX because I'm worried about a failure there. And there we go. I'm getting out on BBBY, taking that profit when I can get it. Now I'm up 11.59 on the day. No. Oh, I thought BXRX got halted there. Did it? Did I miss the halt? God dang it, man. Oh, I should have just stayed in it. Wow. That would have been awesome to be stuck in that halt right there. Okay, well, I can't complain. I made money on it, so I guess maybe I'll try getting in on the resumption. So a little pullback here on BBBY. I don't know if I want to buy it. I'm going to buy it to see if we get the break up to 370 and maybe up through 370. And then I want to start to maybe focus my, I don't like that last candle closed red. I can get out here, break even. So maybe I'll just do that. Made a little bit on it. And there's the break, of course. When did this get halted? 6:37. So resumption is at 6:42 most likely. That candle range is 59 cents. I'm going to set my down here, I'm going to set my candle range to like 60 cents or maybe 55 cents, just something close. Now it's going to enter my share size for me and all of that, and then I'll go back up and we'll look at the charts. So yeah, if I had held that, I would have made more money on it, sure. Let me have it, just tell me, say, hey, you got to hold those, but then look at this. What if I was still holding it and it dropped down there? Then what? Smarty pants. So nothing popping up on the high of day momentum scanner at this point, except for, oh, wait a minute. Might help if I scroll up. I do see GNS. GNS. Over here. $15-minute downtrend. It's an hourly downtrend. Anyways, let me see here. Gotta keep an eye on that time. Candle range is 30 cents, so I'm going to set my stop loss to like 25 cents. That 1 minute candle is about to close. Nice move there. I wonder if I could buy a dip trade right there. And now see if we get a quick move up. Or a quick move down. Because see, we have this resistance right here. I don't want to waste my time on that. I'm going back over here. It's a downtrend on the hourly and stuff, and I'm just not really all that interested in it. So BXRX got halted at $6.43. So if I were to put a limit order in, like say right there at the top, which I don't like to do so much, but if I move it down a little bit. So we got halted on increasing volume right at the high of day. If we open higher, I would look, oh, there's that daily level up here too at 658. So if we open higher, I might be looking for a pullback. What time is it? Oh, so we might be opening any second here. So I'm going to keep an eye out here and watch this. I don't know if we got halted at 637 or I think it was 638. So halted at $6.43. Watching it. Keeping my eyes on the price ladder, looking for that first little bit of movement. And we may have a 10-minute halt. Oh, there it is. So there I bought that dip. And then I'm just going to sell it right away. I don't stay in these halts for very long. That usually has a tendency to bite me in the backside. So I made some money on that. So up $14, getting close to that daily goal. And things move so quick on those halt resumptions. Now here we go. So I'm buying that on a pullback. Oops, it's not holding. Oh, I'm back out. Took a loss on it. Lucky I didn't get caught in a halt going down. So now it's halted going down, but I got out in time. So now I'm only up 450 on the day. Ouch, baby. That's the risk you take trading these halted stocks. So what I did there was it moved up to 689, and then it pulled back, and I jumped in it on that pullback looking for it to move back up again. And there was just too many people selling. So a lot of stops got triggered. That thing just dropped like a rock. All right, let me get rid of some of these lines. I want to kind of reassess things here just a little bit. And if you look over here on the loss that I took on GNS, remember over here I just got out of it. Good thing. Look at that, how it came down. I took a $2 loss. It could have been a $10 loss. Probably would have gotten stopped out. Now it's making a move up, but I don't trust it so much, so I'm not going to trade it. So GROM, we were looking initially on the larger time frames, this hourly consolidation, looking for where are we going to pull back to. So we came back to 284, 15-minute. We don't really have a downtrend. Just one candle after the other dropping. We have a 5-minute downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. So we could bounce from here, and anything below 369 is a lower high. I would expect to maybe hit the VWAP or something up here in this area and then roll over if we're going to roll over for another lower low. Otherwise, we have an inside bar pattern here. So you can look at the 1-minute time frame here. So you got the low of the move, lower high, higher low, tightening range. Favoring the bulls a little bit, but that 5-minute candle is just beginning, so we could certainly drop back a ways. What do we have over here? What is this? It's interesting. That's what it is. Oh, but I don't like the 5 minute. Yep, and there it goes. It was interesting till I saw the 5 minute. I saw an inside bar favoring the bears. Now, a bounce off the VWAP? Yeah, that's certainly possible. So I could jump in that. Although I might be a little late. Probably should have bounced already. And I'm getting back out. I'm out of that. I don't like these long candles like that. Big Marabosa Marabosa? How do you say that? Marabusa? Marabosa. I can never say that word. Okay, I kind of like the look of this. Bulls want to hold 303. God dang BBBY. What are you doing to me here? You're killing me. I'm going to watch this for... See, nice move up. Now we got a bull flag. Plenty of room for these bulls to work with. Candle range is 9 cents, 13 cents. And I tell you what, I might trade GROM here. And if I take a loss and go red on the day, I'm probably going to stop right there. Because I don't want to hit my max loss today. But I might take a chance here on GROM. Just want to see what this looks like. I'm going to get in it there. It might roll over and stop me out. I'm going to move my stop loss up just a little bit. So I could certainly sell it there for a pretty good profit. But what I want to see is a break over the high of that last 5 minute candle. But trading below the VWAP, also I have to keep in mind that we could fail and drop down really fast. So that's always a possibility here. So there's the little dip on that candle there on the 1 minute. After that dip, I want to see the move up. I want to see bulls buying that dip. If it starts to come down further, I'm going to get a little nervous. See, that makes me nervous. So that's coming down too far, and it's probably likely that I'm going to get stopped out on this. So I could exit now for a break-even trade. And that 1 minute candle is about to close, so it may close as an inside bar, and a red one at that. Look at BXRX there. So this is a very tricky day. It's not like last week or yesterday. So we have an inside bar on the 1 minute on GROM favoring the bears. Yeah, I'm just going to get out of it. It's a small loss. It's not that bad. And what I'm going to do here, I want to take a trade on BXRX. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to have time to do it. So there we go. And I'm going to sell it right... Oh man, I didn't make any money on that, did I? So let's try it again. Ooh, that was bad. Must be a really widespread. So I'm red on the day. So that's where I'm going to stop. I don't want to go down any further than that. And being this day is not working for me, I think it's best that I stop. And that's what I've learned from trading over the years, is that if I keep pushing it, I'm going to have a big red day. So if it's not working for you, there's no harm in throwing in the towel. You can always come back tomorrow, try it again. you know, the price action tomorrow might be a lot better. And then I don't have to fight, you know, I don't have to try to come back from a big red day tomorrow either if I give up right now. So down only $5.42. That's not too bad as far as losses go, especially considering my max loss is $40. Today's date is 1/24. So negative $5.43 gives me a small red candle on this little chart of mine. I have plenty of room to work with here. So this was day 9. I don't think I'm going to hit that $200 mark by day 10 unless I have a huge day tomorrow. But we shall see. I'll refresh the web page and go to there. Okay, yep, all refreshed. All right. Well, let's take one more look at the charts. I hope that you did well in your trading today. And oh, look at this. GNS over here actually did end up breaking out on some pretty good volume here. And boy, I better stop looking at this before I end up wanting to trade it. I see stuff like this and it's like, man, I want to jump in. I want to wait for a little pullback, get in that thing. I'm not going to trade it. I'm just watching it. I swear, I'm just watching it. I'm not going to trade it. But I would if I was trading it, I would have jumped in it already. I'd be looking for that move up to $5. And there it goes. Selling right there. Boom. Making that money. Yeah, I could have just as easily lost. And been down even more on the day. I'm going the wrong way, so. All right, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow morning, bright and early. Good luck if you're trading still today. Good luck in your trading, and I hope you do well. Thanks. Bye.